college is much more than a classroom. It's an experience, getting your feet wet and your hands dirty. Finding what drives and inspires you. It's meeting new people, seeing new places, and discovering where you might fit. Chasing your goals or developing new ones and working towards achieving them. It's immersing yourself in new ideas, innovations, and challenges. Designing projects, running events, managing enterprises, and helping with research. It's collaborating with classmates, companies, and community. Risking failure and finding new ways. It's succeeding at more than academics. It's learning to thrive, to grow, and to excel in new and exciting ways. It's both competitive and supportive. It's immersive. It's about learning in action. It's learning to be ready for change, adversity, challenge, growth, and success. It's learning in action. It's about experiencing the real world, because the real world doesn't wait, and neither do we.